The TruTrack frame brackets must be installed onto the trailer's frame. We'll want to make sure the tow vehicle settles evenly when coupled. To do this, find and measure reference points on the front and rear bumper and document these numbers. Lower the coupler onto the trailer just enough to close the coupler latch. Do not fully retract the jack and allow it to still support some of the tongue weight. Once coupled, raise the front of the trailer approximately 3 inches with the tongue jack. Determine the position of the support brackets by comparing against the length of the spring bar. The brackets should be 4 to 6 inches from the end of the spring bar. The wide channel bracket should be installed over the narrow channel as detailed here. Place a carriage bolt through the top hole in all 3 support brackets and spin the nylock nut loosely onto the bolt to hang the assembly over the trailer A-frame. Slide the L support into the channel created by the outer support brackets. Set the bracket height to the position closest to the frame of the trailer. We'll check to ensure that this is the best height once the hitch is fully coupled. Repeat the bracket installation process with the second bracket on the opposite side of the A-frame. Use a lift bar to pry the spring bar onto the L bracket. If it has too much tension, you can use the trailer jack to apply a little bit more lift. Secure the spring bar by installing the retainer clip and cotter pin. With both spring bars secured, lower the jack to apply the full load onto the hitch. The vehicle should settle evenly. Re-measure the bumper reference points. If the front has settled much more than the rear, the bracket height will need to be adjusted. Step the bracket height down 1 notch at a time until the correct height is found with the coupling and measuring process. The spring bars should be nearly horizontal when the correct height is achieved.